Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check disk partition style MBR or GPT in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start button or press Windows key plus X and select Disk Management. Alternatively, you can also open Disk Management with the help of the Run box. Press the Windows key plus R to open Run, then type diskmgmt.msc into the Run search box and then click OK to open Disk Management. In Disk Management, right-click on the disk number that you want to check, then click on Properties, and it will open a new window. Go to the Volumes tab, and here you will find Disk Information. Here you will see if your partition style is MBR, Master Boot Record, or GPT, GUD Partition Table. After checking, you can click OK to close the Properties window, and then close Disk Management. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.